Actually, hindi ko mabasa kasi nakatay yung cellphone ko. But anyway, I'm so glad na andito ako sa 18th birthday mo. And I would like to share my lifetime verse to you, anak. Kasi anak and apo, actually. My lifetime verse is this. In Joshua chapter 1 verse 9, it says there, have I not commanded you, apo? Sabi ng Lord, di ba? Do not be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged. For the Lord your God is with you wherever you go. So it means, nire-remind ka ng Panginoon na yung ilaw na ito ay para sa iyo. From us, from your family, and of course, from God. Itong ilaw na ito ang gagabay at sasamahan ka wherever you go. At remember, mahal na mahal ka namin. Fly high. Reach for your dreams. Huwag kang matakot mangarap. And remember, I'm just a message away. I love you.
What a very remarkable message. Maraming salamat po ng Music Kendo.